Hey everybody, it's Mike Hultquist from Chili Pepper Madness, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make the ultimate Mexican green salsa, and that is Salsa Verde. I'm sure you've had Salsa Verde by now. You might have had it in Mexican restaurants, but it's so much better when you make it at home. I mean, homemade's always better, right? The real key to making awesome Salsa Verde is the tomatillo. And tomatillo literally translates to little tomato, but these guys are actually much different from tomatoes. They're quite a bit tart in flavor, and when you roast them up, they're outstanding for salsa. So let me show you how to make it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and roast our tomatillos. What you wanna do is first peel the tomatillos, and you'll peel off this outer papery skin, and then rinse the tomatillos to clean off any kind of dirt and debris. And then we're gonna dry them off because we don't want any moisture here. Next, we slice them open, and I'm gonna set them onto a baking sheet. So I am using serrano peppers for this recipe because I like a good extra spicy kick. But if you want a little bit milder version, you can use jalapeno peppers, and those work just as good. Next, slice open a serrano pepper and set it onto the baking sheet along with the tomatillos. And we're gonna go ahead and roast these in the oven for 15 minutes until they get nice and charred up. Pull everything out of the oven and take a look. We have some wonderfully roasted tomatillos and a lightly roasted serrano pepper. Okay, add the tomatillos and serrano pepper to a food processor here. Next, add some fresh garlic. We have some fresh cilantro, fresh chopped red onion, and you can use white onion as well. Some fresh lime juice, a bit of salt. I'm also going to go ahead and add in a fresh serrano pepper because I want a little extra spicy heat for mine, but that's totally optional to you. Let's blend this up. That's it, guys. That's how you make Salsa Verde. It's outstanding, isn't it? Super easy. And I love this stuff. I hope you enjoy it. That's it. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Have a good one.